Logis Next Americas has over 100 years of experience driving innovation by manufacturing the most trusted brands in the material handling industry.
Our two expansive facilities in Marengo, Illinois and Houston, Texas offer over 900 different types of forklift and automation solutions, supplying 50,000 units each year to over 700 dealer locations across North, Central, and South America.
In Marengo, there are 600,000 square feet dedicated to producing 10 different models, supported by a 450,000 square foot parts distribution center and manufacturing annex for engine and transmission production.
Our customers receive timely service for their individualized requirements. Logis Next is on the forefront of the changing material handling industry. The Houston facility represents an increased commitment to the fabrication of electric warehouse products, including Class 1 stand-up SCXN2 and Class 1 three-wheel TXM. With space for in-house welding and painting of masts and frames, our process is streamlined to achieve the highest quality and meet the growing demand for electric lift trucks. Our two world-class manufacturing facilities produce trucks and solutions that are built right the first time. Throughout the entire manufacturing process, a strong customer focus and commitment to quality promotes our overall safety culture. Whether your fleet is built in Marengo or Houston, it will come from a safe and disciplined shop with excellent cost control and predictable labor and inventory.
Through a dedication to compliance, quality, environmental responsibility, and customer satisfaction, Logis Next Americas continues to lead the material handling industry forward. Driving innovation, delivering solutions.